Okay, so now I'm holding this camera with the tripod, which someone called a selfie stick. So I was wondering if this could work, and it actually worked. Hello. Oh, I was just watching this video. That's why you see it. They literally, it's about these two people buying. It's about these two people buying the dad on the dark web. Although that's fake. It's literally just a skit or clickbait, if you want to call it. But that's besides the point. I'm just testing out this camera on a tripod, and it can hold it very well, especially when it's recording, as of now. Now, let me put this up high, as usual. Oh shit! Fuck. It's hold on, let me put this back. Let me fix this. Oh my god. Keeps on falling. So apparently, I hold this up high like usual when I have this, and like when I have the tripod, I hold it up. And I just make it tall and hold it up high as usual, just for fun. And now it fell down. Sorry if you guys have to see that. I'm gonna clean this up. Oh, and about these necklaces. Oh, by the way, about these necklaces. Astrid gave them to me a few months ago when I won. God, I'm so random. Man, I feel like I'm shitposting on YouTube right now. Anyways, I'm gonna continue on making the tripod tall and raising it up high. I'm gonna continue on that. Man, I feel like I'm shitposting on YouTube right now. Hopefully it doesn't fall down when I do that. Hopefully it doesn't fall when I do that. And now the tripod will stand while holding this camera. Hopefully that one works. Yeah, it worked. It actually worked. Now let's see how this is gonna go. I feel like a shit poster on YouTube. I first heard about shit posting in 2017 on Google Plus. Oh. Now, I'm just... Okay. Wait, is it still recording? Yeah, it is. Now I'm letting the... Oh shit, it's gonna fall, Alright. Now, I'm just letting the tripod hold the camera. Well, in that kind of way, because, if I put the camera in the middle of the tripod, then the tripod will, like, probably block the camera's way, so that's why I put it this way. And, oh, right. Okay, so it holds